Right. Look at that. Shiny, brand new. Oh. Hopefully that'll do the trick. Looks like the right one to me. Right, hang on. Put that out of the way. Oh, hang on, that bit of plastic's blown away. Box for a minute. Oh, look at that. Well pleased with that. I thought, to be fair, when I was looking to get one, I thought it was going to cost a proper like arm and a leg, but it's 80 quid. 72, sorry, 72 quid delivered, which is, by my reckoning, real cheap. Right, listen, I'm going to need 2 hands here, so what I'm going to try and do, I don't know if I can do it or not, I'm going to try and put the phone so you can see what I'm doing, or sort of kind of see what I'm doing. Where are we at? Let's have a look. Right. Okay. It ain't brilliant, but everything's blown away. What I'll do is later on. Oh yeah. What I'll do later on, I'll go through the video and I'll probably try and edit it, but again, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm terrible on computers, so I don't know. But anyway, where are we at? Oh, that goes in there. Right, that's here. We've got it. Let's get a bolt. I think they're all the same length. They're all the same length. Yeah, they're all the same length. Let's get in there. I mean, let's be honest. I don't know how it's come out in the video, but that was proper easy. So, I'm going to screw this one up a little bit. And right. Okay. I don't know what you see then, so you know what? I'll probably just leave it in the video anyway. And hang on a minute. Right, that one goes up there. Right, it's a bit fiddly. I'm going to have to try and do this like this. Right, that's gone in. Straight in. So, don't know if you're supposed to adjust them or not. I don't know. But it's a fairly straightforward job, and definitely worth having a go at anyway. Right, so if I level it up on here, that'll be alright then. That looks alright, doesn't it? Yeah. Right. Let's have a look. See if I can. I'm trying to stand the phone up. It ain't working too well. So look. I don't know if you can see anything, see? That's why I'm sort of not that keen on doing it. Try and prop something up on it really. Or just trying to figure out how to do that so I can show you how to do it. Anyway, look. We know that it's got 3 bolts, slide straight out. There's the plug. That's clipped in lovely. Feels alright, feels nice and solid. So technically, what I could do, and what I will probably do now, is just check that the window wipers are working. That might be a good idea, mightn't it? Let me get the keys. Right. hopefully it's out of gear. Yes, it's out of gear. Right. Okay. That's a good sign. Because well, I don't know. Actually, it might not be a good sign. Because before, every time I turned the ignition on, the window wiper started working. So that's a bad sign. Oh no, they ain't. Yes, we've got window wipers. Hang on a minute. Oh yes, that is working. Oh, bloody quiet. Look at that little baby. We have got window wipers. How about that then? So, we've sorted that out. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Just check they've stopped actually. Just before. Oh yeah, look at that. They stopped straight away. So before, you turn the window wipers off and they stayed on running for a couple of minutes. And like I say, every time, well not every time actually, I'd say 75% of the time, jump in the van, turn the ignition on, go to start the van up and the window wipers started working. So, yeah, it was most annoying. So I can definitely say now, 100%, that is that. So there is a regulator on these window wipers. I don't think it's a fuse type one. I couldn't find one in the fuse box nowhere. But then go online, have a look at the diagrams. No, none of them matched up to this Boxer. So it was just like too confusing. To be honest with you, it was melting my brain trying to look for them. So I think that's your regulator, and I think if your window wipers are playing up, the best thing to do first is to test that plug, see if you've got voltage going through it or ohms, and then go from there really. But like I say, I think it was 72 quid off eBay, brand new, and I'll be honest with you, if I weren't doing this video I could have changed it in 20 minutes. So, and if I could do it, honestly, you can do it. Yeah, it ain't that hard. You've just got to, you know what, have a little bit of belief in yourself and that, you know. And I ain't being patronising. It's probably because sometimes I lack my own abilities, or think I lack ability. But anyway, it's getting a bit deep now, isn't it? Perhaps someone should give me some counselling. Anyway, look, I'm going to put this back together again now, and then I'm going to stick the window wipers on, and then I'm going to try them, and I'm going to get really excited about it. So I'll see you in a bit, and then there's a I'll tell you in the next bit. Yeah, I'll speak to you soon.